Hi, and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today's recipe is one of my all-time favorite go-tos, and it doesn't require a lot of prep time or a lot of cooking time. It's your regular packaged noodles, but with a twist or an upgrade, as I would like to say. So let's get started. You'll need a quarter cup of sesame oil, about a quarter or half cup of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of minced garlic, a teaspoon or half of minced ginger. White rice vinegar is optional, but if you have it, toss in about a tablespoon, a handful of cashews, 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds or more if you'd like, 1 teaspoon of dried chili flakes, and the vegetables of your choice, but I feel like cabbage is a must when making noodles. These were the vegetables that I had available at the time, but feel free to add in broccoli, mushrooms, and capsicum. It all tastes so good when you're making vegetable noodles. So we'll start off by putting in the sesame oil in a pan and then adding the cashews, the dried chili flakes, and the sesame seeds because we want to toast these at the beginning. So it'll take a while to toast. Don't rush it. You don't want to burn them. So you have to gradually adjust the heat. Don't put it all the way to the top. On a separate pot on the side, start boiling the water so that you can have it ready for your noodles to drop in. Then we'll add the minced garlic and ginger, but you may want to lower the heat before doing so. High heat will dry them out like it did mine, so don't make my mistake and lower the heat before adding them. Next, we'll add in our vegetables, and how long you keep them stirring in the pan depends on how crunchy or not so crunchy you personally like them to be. I personally hate soggy, overcooked vegetables, so I don't cook them for way too long. Now we'll add our Indomie noodles to the hot water, and they cook really quickly, so keep an eye on them. Mushy, overcooked noodles are not yummy. I kept mine in for about 3 to 5 minutes maximum, then drained them immediately and rinsed them with cold water so that they don't keep cooking with residual heat even when drained. Indomie noodle packages usually include small packets of oil, soy sauce, chili flakes, and bumbu seasoning, which is a mix of several seasonings that include a bit of dry tamarind, onion, and a lot of goodies and yummy stuff. So never skimp out on the bumbu sauce. You need it. That's really good. So I always use the bumbu seasoning and a little bit of the soy and the oil, and if I want it extra spicy, I'll add in the chili flakes too, but in this video all I used was the bumbu and oil and the soy sauce. After adding the cooked noodles to the vegetable pan, we'll stir it and mix it in for about a minute or two just to make sure the noodles and vegetables are well integrated with each other. And I like to add the soy sauce and rice vinegar at this point, then give it a final stir over high heat before serving it. But basically you're done. This is a great dish to learn if you're a beginner at cooking. It's quick, simple, and always delicious. You can't mess it up. Garnish with some lime and coriander if you have any, and you're all set. Thanks for watching Happy Kitty Kitchen, and have a great day.